Howdy, howdy, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Voin. Where we last left off, I had just killed the fleshsmith, and I got his weapon, and I did some augmentations and whatnot after I stopped recording. So a lot of my gear is a little better now. That's all I really did. But also, I decided, since we've got such improved gear now, I decided to up the enormity one tier. So we're going to be dealing with that. We're going to be seeing tougher enemies. And then after killing the fleshsmith, we unlocked the Grimir Expanse. So without further ado, let's get into it. Sick ass ice castle.
I surmise then that you are the one known as Vindicator?
I am. But tell me, how is it that I hear your voice within my very mind?
A peculiar twist of fate. I lost my voice to the ravages of time and conflict, but in doing so I mastered other, more intimate forms of communication. Regardless, step forward, if you would. I find myself utterly captivated and quite curious to converse with you. Truly. You certainly made quite the entrance, leaving an impression on those keen enough with their senses to perceive it, and then to utterly destroy a fleshsmith. An astonishing feat, indeed. Your talents have certainly caught my eye.
Ah. And who, pray tell, might you be?
And who, pray tell, might you be?
My name is Aurelia. I once served as the High Priestess of the Thousand Names Athenium, that gleaming citadel of ice in the distance. But alas, I am no longer, for the Orthrats have eradicated all for whom titles held any meaning. At any rate, if you seek another fleshsmith, I just so happen to know its precise whereabouts. I sealed it within the Athenium itself.
Excellent. I shall destroy it immediately then.
Not so fast, my friend. I sealed it for a very specific reason. I couldn't find a way to penetrate its armor. My sword simply bounced off as if I were striking it with a wooden stick. But I have a burgeoning idea, one for which your talents would be invaluable.
I'm confident in my ability to handle it regardless, yet I find myself intrigued. My weapon is not like yours. Grant me entry and I shall prove it. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to go with that one, because I kind of want to see what would happen, but I doubt she'll let me in.
I am confident in my ability to handle it regardless. Yet I find myself intrigued. Speak your mind.
I have observed that ever since the Orthrats swept through, a particular tribe has not only endured, but thrives, successfully repelling the invaders, the snow giants. Perhaps you could seek one of their matrons and glean their secrets. I would undertake this myself, but the snow giants have never been particularly hospitable to locals like myself. You, however, are an anomaly they have yet to categorize.
Might I find one of these matrons talking?
Talking? I'm not exactly built for diplomacy.
Though I'm quite certain no device is suitable test for your other-in-law practical skills.
Where might I find one of these matrons?
I've witnessed a place not far from here that resembles a grand coliseum where they engage in their brawls incessantly. I imagine they would be quite amenable to a discussion once you've provided them with a proper beating.
Yeah, so just
That I can certainly do.
yeah, just best
Tell
them in
me
battle, then
where
they'll
it
listen.
is.
Yes, I know how to go back home. What are the odds this triggers a secret boss fight? Oh, I can't even hit her. Okay, so she was talking about some coliseum, you say. I wish there was a mini-map or something, man. Because it's hard to tell where I'm actually at and where I'm supposed to be going. That's really the only complaint I can give. But let's just look around. I gotta say, holy crap, man. This game is phenomenal. Just, it looks amazing. I know I've been glazing it in the last video, but I can't get over it. It's so good. Well, let's see, what's this about? This is the Coliseum? Question? No. I guess stuff here. What in the hell is that? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Wow, that actually wasn't that bad. I'm not even gonna lie. I thought that was gonna be worse. Maybe I'm just a lot more powerful than I think I am. I might need to up the difficulty more. Whoa. Oh, I just realized I have a double jump. Huh. What was this? Oh, let's check this tech yet. Northern Heart, Barbarian Blade. Fighting monsters fills me with rage. At the peak of my anger, I start raging, boosting physical damage by 28%. Oh, speed by 15% and crit power by 30%. Phoenix Heart and a weird claw. Hold on. Doesn't... Ah. No, what I have increases my physical damage, speed, and fire damage. That increases my physical damage, attack speed, and crit chance. That's not bad. Oh, I'm about to bring the hammer of dawn on you. Wondering what's off this way. Sounds like some kind of waterfall. Oh, you must be a frost man. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh, were you marked for death? Was that what that was? Also, why do I keep getting knocked into the air randomly? Hello. Oh my god. Wait, yeah, is this the edge of the map? Am I not supposed to be here? Because they... That makes sense. Whoa. Whoa, yeah, this must be like the edge of the map. I must not... yeah. I'm probably not supposed to be there. Let's see. Yeah, they're just spawning out of thin air. Yeah, and I'm getting ice. I'm getting like some kind of icy effect. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be here. That's the edge of the map. But I do kind of want to see what this dude's whole shtick is about. That wasn't too bad. You know, something I'm realizing about that revitalize thing that I got. It isn't usually going to get a heart back for me on its own, but it helps me get my health back faster. Well, I am curious if other things would be better in place of it. What? Where did you come from? What are you? Oh, you're dead now. Not you again. Is this the edge of the map again? Whoa. Whoa, my health. Where did it go? Yeah, dang. Okay. Oh, that was scary. I don't think I'm going the right way at all. It's cool that I can get up here, but yeah, no, I don't think I'm meant to be up here. What's this one? Oh. Okay. Oh. Scarab, Phoenix Heart. Alright, let's see what we get here. Ring of Rot, Tibia, Runes of Purple Remedy, Short Cutler. Okay, not bad. Another chest. Tibia, Vampiric Heart, Runes of Purple Remedy, Runes of Purple Choke. Ring of Purple Choke. Oh, another chest. Yeah. Dude, I struck gold over here. Okay, I don't imagine there's much else. And there's not, as far as I can tell, there's not a sky node around here. So I guess, yeah, no, this was just meant to be a secret area. I wasn't actually meant to come out here though. This is why I wish I could at least have like a map or something. But that might be Colosseum. I don't know. See what this is all about. Oh, how the hell am I supposed to do? Oh, I see a sky node. Oh, well. How am I supposed to do this? Let's try it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so now we can go back to spawn, or, yeah, the ruins, Dragon Moon. So what is this? I could find out if I teleported back, teleported away, and then teleported back and tell me the name, but I want to be surprised. Oh, spanked him. Okay, yeah. So what is this about? Was this? Oh, that was just the entrance. That wasn't even this area. Okay. What are you? Oh, not you. One off. I'm one off of being able to get that revive. It would actually be so embarrassing if I lost it here. I'd be so mad. Yes, I got it. Okay. So now if I die, I respawn just on the spot. What's going on here? Whoa. Oh, I get absolutely doo-dooed on. Alright, what do we got here? Captain's note. Journal updated. Captain's note. Journal. Is this? I can't read it. Must be like part of the lore, but no. Yeah, I guess I don't have all the notes or something. Surely there's got to be a secret up on these castle walls. There has to be. What did I accidentally hit that took like 1,000 damage? Oh. Oh, there were enemies up here, so surely there's got to be something up here, right? Ah, okay, only a green chest, but I knew it. I knew it. It's like you can't just have enemies randomly spawn here in an area that you're not exactly meant to be in, and then not like give the player loot or something. Can't do that. Okay, I don't imagine there's much left here, so I'm gonna teleport back to spawn. Okay, what was that place called? The Lone Keep. Okay, so I'm supposed to be looking for a Coliseum. Before I continue, I need to let y'all know something. It took me about an hour to find the Coliseum, and it took me about another hour and a half to do the stuff that I needed to do to progress the story after I found the Coliseum. Because I spent so much time running around and looking for stuff that it just took forever. And I realized while editing that a lot of things that I would do would be out of context if I just cut everything out and skip to when I, got to that stuff. So to prevent that, I'm going to explain now what I'm going to do, because I don't want to sit here for 6 hours editing this video, but I also don't want to scrap this because I got to at least finish this series. So I'm going to cut to when I get to the Coliseum, and then I'm going to cut to when I get to like all the different areas that I need to do. The reason I'm mentioning this is because I'm going to be cutting out a lot of secrets that I find, and a lot of other stuff as well. But I don't want to have to scrap this video, and I also want to finish this series. So please understand. I hope that doesn't ruin this for you, and I hope you still enjoyed the video. Alright, let's go. It's funny how I went like literally everywhere else except where I was supposed to go. Yep, seems like the spot. Snow Giant's Coliseum. Oh, wow. Okay. I kicked a bunch of snow golems' asses. How hard could this be? Oh, no. Hold on. Tell me my eyes deceive me. I think I lost my revive. Yeah, because I went to a new area. That stinks. Probably using the kick more often. I wonder if it is like used for anything. No, I can't interrupt an attack with it. Ow. I guess it's just a way to get some extra DPS out, which isn't bad. It's always useful. Something seems interesting about this. I had a feeling. Soul Fruit of the Runic Maw. I don't know why. Something about that block of ice just looked off. I was like, man, it looks like it's got a secret behind it. And sure enough, it did. Okay, so what am I actually supposed to be doing here? Am I just purging the area, or am I actually supposed to do something? I assume I'm supposed to be looking for something. You're not hiding from me that easily this time. Heart Seeker. Gimme. Chest. Dude, holy loot, I'm rich. We're rich. Sorry, my inner dwarf came out. Oh. Yeah, you look like the guy I'm supposed to fight. Oh, hi. These guys are surprisingly tanky. I think it's just because there's a lot of them. Yeah, no, it's just because there's a lot of them. Okay, I guess we're just fighting a short gauntlet before the actual boss shows up. Okay, you're starting to spawn a lot more of those guys. Those are actually going to cause some problems, because their attacks are annoying to dodge.
strong and true through hallowed space for all to view.
Man, I'm just trying to loot.
I seek not praise, matron. I seek knowledge. Knowledge to fail the fleshsmith and to turn the tide against the Othvrats.
The Othvrats, for all their putrid might, all creatures of the hearth, seek warmth and light. But cold, true cold, they cannot bear. It is their bane, a chilling snare. From matron's deep a blade is spun, a winter's wrath for battle won.
Okay, so we're
With
gonna fight.
icy touch it will imbue and carve a path for battles new. A cut so keen, a wound so deep. The flashsmith's end, it will then reap.
You speak of a sword that will penetrate the fleshsmith's armor.
Indeed, and a matron's craft, a gift so grand, can arm his hand throughout the land. A spell-forged edge, for skin so tough, where common steel was not enough. But power such, it asks a price. A trail of chill, snow and ice.
Name it.
Not found in warmth, nor soft repose, where hidden power truly grows. In perpetual blizzards, where storms reside, where never-ending snow does hide. The wind's keen wail, a ceaseless hum, where even light itself goes numb. Through 5 such tempests he must strive, where frost and fury truly thrive. Within each maelstrom, secrets sleep, components for the vows we keep. He must endure the winter's breath and bring them back defying death. Only then the frozen blade will bloom, dispelling all the coming gloom.
5 never-easing blizzards. Where do they lie?
They wander free, a ghostly flight, like spirits dancing through the night. Let him brave the ice, let his resolve stand true, and matron's power shall pierce for you.
Interesting. Can we fight? Question mark. Okay, so I gotta find... I gotta find blizzards, he says. What's my journal say to do? Having endured the Snow Giant's trial, I spoke with their matron, her charge to seek 5 components for a weapon against the fleshsmith hidden across the Grimir. Within 5 perpetual blizzards. All across the Grimir expanse, I must search for the thick white fog. The perpetual blizzards favor the flat open lands. Okay. So that one area that I was at, close to the start of this video, where there was just a bunch of those, like, ice giants spawning constantly. I bet you if I went back to like there, that might be where I need to be. Because that wasn't actually the edge of the world. Because I had a run-in with that, and it just grabbed me and teleported me back. So let's go back to the main area. Let's see if I can't... Actually, let's go over here. Okay, so over here is where the first one is that I can think of. I bet you there's something up there. Yeah, you can see it down there. Oh? This was not what I was expecting to be up here. Frost core and ice? What's this? Absolute 0. Successful hits expand a frost aura, applying 1.1 stacks of freezing to nearby monsters. Shattering a frozen enemy conjures a blizzard, dealing 80 cold damage per second to all enemies within it over the next 3 seconds. The aura fades over time. Interesting. You know, I'm really liking my Grand Hammer, but I'll try it. I'll try it. What are these abilities? 1, okay. 2, okay, and 3. Sharpened. What does sharpened do? I assume just more damage. No. Powers. Deafening taunt. Explanation? No. Doesn't tell me what it is. Okay, well, we'll try it. We'll see what this is. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not fucking with it at all. It's not, I know it's not the most fair comparison, considering, yeah, I know it's not the most fair, because I put, like, everything I have into my Grand Hammers. Ow. Yeah, I put everything I had into my Grand Hammer, and so now I'm using a weapon I have nothing in, so it's not exactly fair, but I don't know. I like the heavy hitters. And we're back. Okay, so these guys are just gonna spawn infinitely, so I just gotta get through them. So what exactly am I doing? Am I just looking around? Do I just get through it? What am I supposed to do? Well, I'm on the other side now. That doesn't seem right. No, surely there's something I gotta be looking for. Let me try and come up here, see if I can't get a top-down view. Okay. Yeah, that didn't happen. Yeah, there's gotta be something in it, right? It's gotta be what it is. There's something here that I need. That looks like something important. Part of the blizzard. Yep, that'd be it. Well, that was the first one. So 5 blizzards, right? There's 5? Yeah, 5 components, 5 perpetual blizzards. Okay, so that was the first one. Seems to be another one over there. Oh yeah, this is definitely one of the blizzards. No way! Ha! Alright. Well, that was easy. I haven't seen a sky node in a hot second. I'm starting to get a little worried. Oh, another blizzard. Finally. Dude, it's actually been like 30 minutes since the last one. Alright, hopefully we can find it quickly. Oh. Part of the blizzard. Okay, finally. That's 3. There is something past the blizzard. But whether or not it's actually gonna lead us. Question. No shot. Another blizzard. Okay. This makes the 4th one. Oh, and it was so easy to get to. That's 4. Oh my god, and everything got leveled up. Heck yeah. There it is. Okay. I had a feeling I'd see it here in a second. If I'm lucky, I might be able to see the last blizzard as well. Ah! The last blizzard! Oh my god! Oh my god! The last blizzard! Holy shit, dude! I was right there! Are you kidding me? Bruh, whatever. Whatever, at least it honestly wasn't even that difficult to get back to my stuff. It was just annoying more than anything. god, I can't believe that. I literally spoke too soon, too. I was like, man, I can't believe I survived that. And then as soon as I fucking said that, I died. Alright, let's not have it happen again, though. Holy shit, though, this fucking bando's gotta go. Not. Oh, I'm gonna tweak. I'm gonna actually tweak out. Oh, I'm actually gonna tweak out. Now we just go down here, grab this fucking blizzard, and get the hell out, dude. I'm so done with this place already. No way. Oh my god, get me out of here. No, get me out. I don't want to be here anymore. Thank fuck. Alright, let's get back to it, though. I'm back. It took me, like, 2 hours, but I'm back. I got your blizzard hearts.
A feat of will, a testament true. The winds themselves have bowed to you. Behold, dear kin, as from the deep, the potent magic starts to creep. A whisper of frost, a blizzard sigh, the essence of cold beneath the sky. The blade takes hold, a shimmering light, to cut through darkness and grant you might.
It's pretty sick. Yo.
Now go, brave kin, and make them bleed, for winter's vengeance plants its seed.
Winter's Heart. Where is it? Winter's Heart. Perpetual Blizzard. Spending energy summons a blizzard for 3 seconds, dealing 80 cold damage to nearby enemies and applying 0.8 stacks of freezing every 0.8 seconds. While staying within the blizzard, I am obscured. Oh. What does obscured do again? Right, 50% chance to ignore damage. Okay, well, this video is already really long, so I guess, yeah, a lot of this was just me looking for blizzard parts, so I'll go ahead and finish this. So now that I have the sword, I'm gonna go back and I want to mess with some stuff with it because I'm curious about it. Yeah. Can I drop my sword too? I can. Okay, I want to equip it. Where is it? No. There it is, Winter's Heart. See? Alright. Alright. Oh, interesting. I want to modify this thing. Because I do feel like it'll be good. Better than the Great Hammer? I don't know. But I do want to at least try it. Also. Yeah, neither of these are really that good. Yeah, no, I don't really like either of these. Upon death, I only lose half the corrupted items. I guess I'll go with that. Just because that means I don't have to worry about, like, trying to get my stuff back that much. Okay, so spending energy summons a blizzard for 3 seconds, dealing 100 cold damage to nearby enemies and applying 1 stack of freezing every 0.8 seconds. While staying in the blizzard, I am obscured. Okay. Okay, so the two I've come down to is Winter's Wail and Absolute Zero. They basically do the same thing, but in a different way. Winter's Wail creates a frost aura with like more successful hits that I like, the more successful hits that I get, the bigger the radius, and then absolute zero does it as well, but shattering an enemy also causes a blizzard. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. And then let's bump some more. I've got them. Okay, so now we can have 2 of these. Could I get it to 4? How much does it cost? I could maybe get it to 4. Yeah, no, I could definitely get it to 4. I'm putting a lot into a weapon. I'm not even sure it will be that good. Fuck it, all out. We're going all in. All in. No! No, I'm too poor! I was right there! Whatever. So let's build around like the cold. Crystalline ring. Perfect dash leaves an ice replica behind when struck and explodes, dealing 40 cold damage and applying 2 stacks of freezing to nearby monsters. Conjures an illusionary copy that slashes. Okay. So these basically do the same thing but in a different way. I think what I'll do is I'll just replace, where is it? Yeah, I'll just replace the augment. Yeah, instead of using a weak link, I'll just replace the augment with that. Alright. And then improve. Can I think. There we go. Got it to. No! What? Dragon head. Inflicting fire damage. Yeah, I'm completely switching over. Inflicting cold damage, 6% chance, conjures an ice pillar that pierces random. Okay, yeah, so I guess the obvious thing to do would be switch to that. And I'm kind of broke now because I've spent literally every dime I have on this sword. So, I hope it's good. It does a lot of damage, not as much as the Grand Hammer. 92 to 104 versus 64 to 74. So it's still good, not as good, but it's still good. But let's get back in there and fight the flesh smith in this video.
You have returned. I sense a shift in the air around you. A chill that was not there before.
The matron fulfilled her promise. I have it.
A sword. For beings who typically favor the crushing force of a hammer, to craft such a blade.
It is crafted from the heart of their blizzards, the cold that cuts deeper than any blade.
Fascinating. Truly, the world holds more wonders than even the Athenium's vast archives could contain. This changes much. Meet me at the main entrance to the Athenium. I shall be waiting you there.
Okay. What's up, David? Alright. I'm here. Where are you? Oh, David.
Before I unravel its seals, a thought strikes me. I find myself curious. I have witnessed you from afar, but to truly understand the measure of your strength, I crave a more intimate demonstration.
A spar. Now.
Indeed. A brief dance of blaze, perhaps.
Alright,
It would greatly inform my preparations for what lies within.
Very well, if it pleases you.
It does. It pleases me immensely. Let us begin.
Whoa. Alright, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! At least let me get the condom on first. Damn! Damn! She fucking me up. Oh, it was all about getting that first crit, or getting that first heavy in. Holy shit, she has so much health, I just realized. Oh god, I threw my fucking sword. Oh my god, I'm getting my ass kicked right now. That was interesting. Ah, god. Dude, I'm doing nothing to her. She's so fucking tanky. Either this weapon sucks, or I'm not meant to kill her at all, and this is just how they were like going about that, forcing me to do nothing to her. There's no way they actually want me to get her down to like 2 HP, or like actually beat her or something. There's no way. God, I missed that. That sucks. Yeah, good damage, good damage. I gotta get more parries in. I keep dodging her because I'm scared of her. And then I try to parry her and I get absolutely shit on. There we go. That's good. That's good. Okay. I'm not doing as bad as I thought it would be. Come on, do something, do something. Where'd you go? Yeah. Oh, that did good. Oh, good damage, good damage, good damage, good damage. Come on. Whoa. God, I've only got her down like a third. I honestly can't tell if this weapon sucks or if she's just that tanky. I feel like it might be the weapon, I'm not sure though. Yes. Oh. Ow. What? Ow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ow. Hit, please hit. Yes! Yes, thank God that hit. Where'd you go? Can we stop just randomly teleporting behind me, please? I'd appreciate it. Damn it, no, she dodged. Yes, holy damage. God, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. No. Okay, come on, I got a heart back. Come on. Where'd you go? God, I don't like how she keeps, like, teleporting behind me like that, man. I have no idea how I got that parry. Okay. Yes, the hit. Yes, yes, good damage. Come on, please hit, please hit. What? You gonna do something? What? No, no, I'm bugged. Oh god, please don't tell me she can kill me like this. No, no, that would be so okay, maybe this will fix it if I hit it again. Yeah, that fixed it. Okay, thank god. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I got that parry. Why did it still do damage? God, it's actually gonna expect me to kill her. Why can't I can't dodge. Hold on. What if I... Well, let me try and put my... I can't dodge. My shift isn't working. What the fuck? Okay, I guess I'm doing this without dodging anymore. I'm just gonna have to get good at the game and parry her. I literally did parry, what? What the fuck? Dude! My dodge just stopped working. I'm in the groove now. I'm in a groove now. Damn it, I missed that one. It's embarrassing. Am I doing like any damage to her, man? Like, what is going on? Oh. It, honest to God, doesn't feel like I'm actually doing damage anymore. Come on, please! She's so low! And so am I. Come on, do something, do something. Guys. Where'd she go? Please let me get my health back. Please let me give it. Yeah, she's so close. Please. 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 Where is she? Yes. No, she's not dead yet. Please. Yes.
Remarkable. Truly, truly remarkable. My senses barely kept pace. Your strength, it is formidable. Far beyond what I had initially perceived. Which brings me to a thought, a rather significant one, regarding the matron's sword. That weapon, I believe it would be of far greater utility in my hands.
Fuck you, no.
You have proven yourself more than capable of handling the challengers within these walls. Your own power, unaugmented, seems to suffice. But for my goals, to cut through what my own efforts failed to pierce, it would be an immense boon.
Well, I am indeed more than capable of dealing with Oddvarts without any augments. The sword is yours. I have a different idea. You stay here and I'd fight the Fleshmith alone. I spent all this time getting the sword while you conveniently done nothing. I deserve it. It's mine. Fuck, man. This is hard. I don't know what to say here. I mean, I don't know. I kind of want to go back to the Grand Hammer, but at the same time, I do want to mix it up a bit. I don't really want to give it up, but at the same time, having her help would be pretty good. And at the same time, go fuck yourself. This took like 3 hours. Well, okay, not that long. Okay, yeah, almost 3 hours. Well, more like 2. It took me fucking 2 hours to get this damn thing. And 90% of it was just a walking simulator. I'll go with the blue scroll.
Well, I'm indeed more than capable of dealing with Orthrats without any augments. The sword is yours.
A truly generous spirit. I confess I am impressed. Not only by your power, but by your pragmatism.
You gonna let me
Now,
tap later?
let us proceed. The Athenium awaits.
So what, does she get the sword now? I quest updated. Okay. I still have the sword, unless... Yeah, no, this is the sword. Alright, well. I guess I give it to her after the fight. What do I actually have to give it to you? Am I missing something? The depths of the Thousand Names Ethereum Crystalline Cavern. Is this not it?